Hello, welcome all, and if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, go ahead and smash that subscribe and bell button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Grabbing some tape, I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand first to remove some tackiness to prevent harsh tugging. And using a trick I saw Desi do on her channel, I'm going to line up the tape to my brow to get the right angle for my eyeliner. Picking a bare on any fluffy brush, really, I'm just going to cover my entire lid to get one even tone throughout the eyelid. Then picking up a thin angled liner brush, I'm going to pick up a lace and I'm going to start shaping out my winged eyeliner. I'm going to stay really close to my lash line and really form it first before I go in and blend it out. Then picking up this angled fluffy brush, I'm going to start blending out the eyeliner I just placed, and I'm going to basically blend it into nothing, but I promise it plays a major role in the end result. Picking up Spanked on that same angled eyeliner brush, I'm going to just start redefining my eyeliner. This time we're going to pick up a pencil brush for more control, and we're going to repeat the same process and blend out the eyeliner. And the higher you bring the product to your eyebrow, the lighter your pressure should be. And picking up Love Bite on that same angled liner brush, we are going to once again redefine the eyeliner. From here on out, honestly, it's exactly the same steps, just with darker shades. And the darker the shade gets, the closer you're keeping it to your lash line to get that smoked out effect. Alright, and picking up any black you have, you got it girl, we're going to repeat the process. And because I want the black as close as possible to the lash line, I'm not going to switch over to a fluffy brush. I'm just going to start feathering it upwards with the actual angled liner brush, like so. I love taking off the tape to reveal that sharp line, and I love how easy it came off since we removed that tackiness in the beginning. And I'm just going to clean up my foundation just a bit since the tape picked up a little bit. I decided to put a pale pink eyeliner in my waterline to open up my eyes just a little more. And then I reversed the shades on the lower lash line. So I started with the darkest first and ended with the lightest. Grab your favorite mascara girl and apply some. I'm gonna actually apply it and then fake it for the camera. And then I'm just gonna finish off the look by applying some lashes, and we are done.
The thing about it is you're on a what's
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Wednesday.